How to fix TikTok's draft video problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix draft video problem on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to fix the draft video problem on TikTok, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons why. So first of all, you want to make sure that the video that you have actually saved to your draft is also still available in your mobile phone. So just because you have saved that video to your draft does not mean it has already been uploaded to TikTok. It simply means that TikTok hasn't saved this video to their cloud and it's still on your own server, which means on your own device as well. So just make sure that the video does exist and that you have not deleted it. After that, it could also be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing you want to make sure is that you're connected to the internet. So just go ahead and make sure that your internet connection is actually working just fine. And then after that, you want to come back. You don't want to clear the data fast because that is going to reset the TikTok app and it is also going to likely delete that video. So you don't want to do that. Instead, what you can do is try to open up your Play Store. In the search box, search for TikTok, and if you see an update button there, make sure to update it to the latest version. But as I said, the primary reason that this happens is because when you have not saved it to your profile feed and you saved it as draft and then you deleted it from your phone, that could be the most primary reasons why this issue has been happening. So hope this video helped answer your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.